What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all having a great weekend and welcome to this new video on Ethereum, which I just wanted to do a full update on that. I mean, it's been a while. Ethereum has been quite bullish for the last week or so, well, since Tuesday I believe. Overall, Ethereum is not, by far not as bullish as Bitcoin. As you can see right here, Ethereum against Bitcoin basically went into a downtrend beginning of last week. And then right now it has been consolidating. Obviously it's weekend, so then it also consolidates. So Ethereum on its own hasn't been that strong necessarily, but it's at an interesting price area, right? It's been a while since Bitcoin and Ethereum really had different charts, because at this point of time, I would say that Ethereum has definitely has a more bearish chart than Bitcoin, but it could go both ways still. So that's interesting. I know a lot of you do follow me for Ethereum content as well, so sometimes I just want to do an analysis on it. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, I do want to mention briefly that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. And we are having a good month so far. So if you actually want to catch some rallies, if you want to become a better trader with these trading guides and the chat room full of traders, for example, consider joining. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, let's get into Ethereum. So overall, Ethereum, I would say, even though the EMAs have kind of flipped, not 100%, but kind of, I would still say it's bearish, all right? It hasn't, for me, broken out of this major bearish trend that we've been in for the last 2 months or so. 2 months. So that hasn't happened. Can that happen? Yes. Do I expect that to happen? No. It's obviously weekend right now, so we're not getting a lot of volatility right now. Volume is even still dropping down, all right? So the volume still needs to get into the markets. That usually causes volatility, and that's also what I expect for Ethereum. Like, for example, I have this great resistance level in mind, around 1665 with the trend line and the 200 EMA. It is 100% a possibility that today will spike up towards that level, because in the end, I would say the current situation for Ethereum is that it's kind of in this area, consolidating, and then mainly here at the lower bounds. But a little bit of a spike up to the upper bounds of the range is not impossible. But I do not see Ethereum breaking above that. It's definitely possible. Like, if Bitcoin gets a bullish breakout above 27,000 today, then Ethereum will follow that. The main reason why I think it's not going to happen though, even though I do acknowledge the possibility and the probability of volatility today, that was very nice to say. The reason why I don't think that's happening is because next week we have the interest rate decision, all right? And that's, well, usually that could go both ways, but I think the expectation for that this time around is bearish. I mean, most economic events have actually pointed towards a future for the US with more inflation, which means the interest rate needs to go up even more for longer, probably. Which is bearish for risk on assets markets like crypto. So therefore, I do expect that Ethereum could be bullish for a little bit longer here, or get some more bullish momentum. But overall, my expectation for next week is that we'll have a bearish breakout below 1620 and a drop down towards this level right here around 1550 again, or at least, well, 1580 at first probably. But bearish momentum in my eyes is the most likely scenario. Like I said, if for some reason Bitcoin actually does get a huge bullish breakout, then I will be wrong. But you have to make your decisions and you have to base your analysis on something, right? So, and this is, in my eyes, the most likely scenario given the technicals and the fundamentals. But that's my take on Ethereum. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.